Kachithirumbu. Today we are going to say 9 different types of biryani all around the world. Number 1, Mughalai biryani.
A popular part of Mughlai cuisine, this biryani came to India with the arrival of the Mughals. It spread all across India and is still quite popular in the country.
Number 2, Afghani biryani.
This biryani variation comes all the way from Afghanistan and gets its rich color and fragrance from the use of saffron. Dry fruits are also used in this recipe. Number 3, Sri Lankan biryani. This one pot meal is quite similar to the South Indian version of biryani. It gets its unique flavor from the tempering of cashew paste cooked in coconut milk, which makes the dish rich and delish. Number 4, Dan pork. Very similar to Hyderabadi biryani, Dan pork, which belongs to Burma, now Myanmar, has derived its name from the Persian dum pakt. Number 5, Nasi Kebuli. This biryani variant belongs to Indonesia and is made by infusing several ingredients together. Made in ghee, Nasi Kebuli is always served with cucumbers, tomatoes and lettuce on the side. Number 6, Middle Eastern biryani. This type is popular in Iraq, Bahrain and other Middle Eastern nations and is quite similar to the Indian version. Meat of chicken or lamb is usually used to make this dish. Number 7, Biryani. Coming all the way from Iran, this version of biryani gathered immense popularity during the time of Safavid dynasty. It is especially topped with pomegranate, prunes and raisins to give a sweet taste. Number 8, Sindhi biryani. A significant part of Sindhi and Pakistani cuisine, Sindhi biryani is flavored with several aromatic spices and is truly exotic in taste.
Number 9, Hyderabadi biryani. The most famous biryani in India. This variant is indeed every biryani lover's favorite. Dum method is used in the preparation, which infuses the correct flavors in the rice and meat. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, it's me signing off.